Migrating from Mailchimp to Klaviyo is a straightforward process that ensures your email lists, templates, and automations transition smoothly. Here's how to do it. Export data from Mailchimp. Log into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to Audience, All Contacts. Export your contact list as a CSV file. If needed, export segments, tags, or unsubscribed users separately. Export email templates and automation reports by downloading them locally. Set up Klaviyo. Log into your Klaviyo account or create a new one. Navigate to lists and segments and create corresponding lists to match Mailchimp categories. Import contacts into Klaviyo. Go to lists and segments and select the list where you want to import contacts. Click Import Contacts and upload the CSV files exported from Mailchimp. Map fields like name, email, and tags during the import process. Rebuild automations. Recreate automations in Klaviyo's Flow section, mirroring your Mailchimp workflows. Add triggers, conditions, and email content using Klaviyo's drag-and-drop editor. Integrate and test. Connect Klaviyo to your e-commerce platform. Test email delivery and workflows before turning them live.